To set up alerts on DexScreener, start by searching for the token pair you want to monitor. For example, if you're keeping an eye on ETH paired with UST, type it into the search bar and open the pair you want from the results. Once you're on the pair's detailed chart page, look near the token name or the price section for the alerts button, usually shown as a bell icon when you click it. You'll be able to define exactly how you want your alert to work. You can set a specific price target, like getting notified when the price hits $4,000. Or choose different conditions such as price crossing above or below a certain level, a percentage change, or even a sudden spike in volume. You can also decide how often you want the alert to trigger, whether you want it just once or every time the condition happens. After setting everything the way you want, just click the button to create or save the alert and it will activate. If you want to make sure you receive alerts, you can double-check your notification settings. Depending on your setup, alerts can come through your browser, by email, or through other integrated channels if available. If this tutorial is helping you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick guides, and let me know in the comments what feature you want me to cover next.